Hi, and welcome again to Kotak Securities weekly fundamental podcast. Wishing you all a very happy new year. I am Rini Mehta, and I'll bring you important updates from the world of stock markets and top stock picks for you to invest in. So, now let's get started. Stock markets recovered significantly during the last week, with Nifty and Sensex gaining around 2.2%. Guys, this strong pullback and phase exhibits a stock market surge through the last 5 trading days of December and the first 2 days of January. Interesting fact, in the past 10 years, Nifty has borne witness to this peculiar surge 7 out of 10 times. Yes, guys. Meanwhile, the Nifty small cap index and mid cap index outperformed during the week with gains of 4.2% and 2.7% respectively. If we speak of sectoral performance, all the sectoral indices ended in green during the week except for Nifty Media. Healthcare and IT stocks led the rally while oil and gas and realty were major laggards. Now, if we speak of the last month of the year, that is December, IPOs galore was the prominent theme in the last 15 days with a slew of companies making their D Street debut. Guys, how many IPOs did you apply to? And which ones did you get allotted? Would love to hear from you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below. So coming back to the IPOs, while all the IPOs received a great response with multifold subscription across the board, the euphoria surrounding the IPOs seemed to fizzle out as the sentiment of the broader markets turned weak. So we believe Indian markets may continue to be weak in near term as markets react to Omicron related developments and subsequent impact on the economy. We may witness sectoral rotation. What I mean is that beaten down sectors might start picking up pace. So guys, watch out for these sectors. Now from the economy, there was a GST meet last week, and the GST Council is likely to put on hold the implementation of higher tax on certain items like footwear and textiles, which is also supporting the market. Now, how were markets across the world doing? The comparatively lower global hospitalizations and deaths from the current COVID wave helped ease concerns in the global equities over the week. The Federal Reserve is anticipating multiple rate hikes in 2022 as the economy strengthens and concerns about inflation remain central to monetary policy. Okay, coming to FPI flows, that is foreign investor interest in Indian markets. FIIs continued to be net sellers in the December month to the tune of rupees 35,500 crores. Again, due to Omicron variant-led wave and expectation of aggressive tapering by the US Fed. So we expect future FPI flows to remain volatile given key events such as upcoming state elections and monetary tightening by developed countries. Finally, coming to the top stock picks, our pick of the week is Dalmia Bharat with ad rating and fair value of rupees 2,250. Guys, we basically expect Dalmia Bharat's volumes to grow at the rate of 15% over FY21 to 24. The ongoing expansion projects are progressing towards increasing total capacity. Further, what is interesting is Dalmia Bharat turned net cash in second quarter on strong operational cash flows and limited capex. We expect leverage to remain stable despite increase in capex. So why we like the company is because it provides strong growth visibility and balance sheet strength and improving capital allocation. Okay, our another stock idea is TeamLease with buy rating and target of rupees 4,420. TeamLease remains well positioned to see a healthy increase in general staffing headcount as it improves its sales efforts in e-commerce and as core sectors, that is retail, FMCG and logistics, recover. And the recent stock price correction has resulted in an upgrade in our rating to buy from reduce earlier with an unchanged fair value of rupees 4,420, as I said earlier. Guys, for more details and updates on our recommendations, visit the research section of Kotak Securities website or follow us on Telegram. Thank you and happy investing.